Welcome to 1 Minute Prop Building Tips, designed to help save you time, money, and improve your prop building skills. Now that Halloween is over, our natural tendency is to quickly store things away in order to take that well-deserved break. I recommend that you slightly modify this strategy. Set any props that need to be reworked or repaired aside instead of packing them away. One thing you can be sure of, time will be in short supply when it comes to setting up next year. Your props have done their best to entertain your guests, but failures are unavoidable. Things wear out, need repair, or simply no longer fit your design. Instead of burying a no longer needed prop in the back of your storage shed, why don't you use the off-season to repurpose it into a new prop? Redesigning mechanisms, ordering parts, updating electronics, and getting things working properly are best done when you have the time and patience to do it right. When it comes time to set up next season, you'll be happy you took the time now. Plus, it makes Halloween a year-round event. If you want to see more content just like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon before you go. So until next time, keep on building.